Hey, my name is Paul. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about burner infrared for Duke part #175780. Burner infrared for Duke part #175780 is a replacement part for a Duke commercial cooking equipment. It is an infrared burner that is designed to provide a consistent and even heat distribution across the cooking surface. The burner is made of stainless steel and has a ceramic-coated surface to help protect it from corrosion and wear. The burner has an adjustable air shutter to control the amount of airflow and heat output, as well as a spark igniter for easy lighting. This part is compatible with Duke models RSC24, RSC36, RSC48, and RSC60. This part fixes the following symptoms. Burner infrared for Duke part #175780 is used to replace a faulty infrared burner on a Duke commercial cooking equipment. It can help to fix symptoms such as uneven heating, poor heat distribution, and slow cooking times. Here is how you install this part. 1. Read the installation instructions that came with the burner. These instructions will provide you with the necessary information to properly install the burner. 2. Make sure you have all of the necessary tools and materials for installation, such as a screwdriver, drill, and mounting hardware. 3. Turn off the power to the area where you will be installing the burner. This is important for safety reasons. 4. Mount the burner according to the instructions provided with it, using the appropriate mounting hardware and tools. 5. Connect all of the wiring. You can buy this part from www.PartsFPS.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.PartsFPS.com. Visit www.PartsFPS.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.